Maybe I should go first.
Jack and Nana.
And then get in here first. My knees aren't good on this. And my butt doesn't be noticeable. Yeah.
Go, Jack. Go with Nana, girl.
Come on. Come on, Jack. Yeah? Are you coming? Alright. Make this far. Come on. Come on. We're gonna make it.
Go, Jack.
Come on. Let's go out. Come on. Come on. Yoo-hoo! Say bye, Dad.
Bye-bye. Go. Go.
Okay, here we go. Oh, no wonder it's missing a little climbing thing is off.
Well, like I said, typically he can get that one. It's the next one.
Okay. Now if I get here, you can stop that and start it again. One itty bit that would work. Okay,
Go up, Jack.
and then he's okay once he gets up here?
Yep.
Ready? I don't know. Yeah, go. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, he's low. Oh, dear. I think it's okay. He didn't even know.
Oh, he's fine.
Sorry, it's a phone.
I heard.
Okay. Not making it to the second one. Woo! Okay, now what? Now it's okay?
Oh, can you clean around it? It's like we're going to be a little while longer. Yeah, he's fine. No, he doesn't know. Yeah, come on. Oh, you can't?
I'm kidding. I need knee pads to do this. Okay, that's plenty. This is a hard time.
Jack, go up. Jack, don't go down. You want to go with Nana. Oh, there you go. He goes and plays with the truck.
Okay, well, I don't care. I can sit here.
No, he's fine.
That's cover around. You just need a little help in the middle. I want to see him come down. Where is he? Oh! Well, stay there and play. Got excited! Yeah! How was that adventure?